We're at Singleton Public School where we've just finished up the project. So in this section through here, we have bush tucker garden, and then on the opposite side is native grasses. Rhyolite paths going through. We've got some corten steel edging as well. One entrance in, one entrance out to the yarning circle, as well as the fire pit for smoking ceremonies. We've also got some seating area. Tried to keep the tree, deciduous tree that loses its leaves during the winter period, but during summertime it'll get its leaves back and create some beautiful shade for the seating area. As part of this project, we constructed a car track and as well as a sensory footpath. We really love doing the school projects. The kids get to enjoy what we end up creating. There's nothing better than that.